How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I wanted to quickly mention the 5 reasons I love ExpressVPN and also give you one reason why ExpressVPN may not be the preferable VPN in this situation. So let's get straight into it. Before we begin, if you guys are interested in ExpressVPN, you'll find links to pricing and discounts as well as a full review in the description down below. Now, the first reason why I like ExpressVPN is the fact that it's incredibly easy to use. This is exactly why I like to use it on a daily basis. There's nothing complicated about the ExpressVPN user interface. As you can tell, you have your locations, a speed tester, your options. You only have the kill switch, split tunneling, handful of protocols. That's all you have to worry about with regards to ExpressVPN. The user interface is the same on your smart TV, your iOS, your Mac, Linux, whatever device you're using it on. So if you know how to use it on one device, you can use it on any other device, including your router application, which tends to be a little bit more complicated with other VPNs. When you want to install a VPN on your router, the application tends to be a little bit more complicated and you might need to be a little tech savvy in order to operate it. But with ExpressVPN, it just makes everything super easy. Now, the second reason why I like ExpressVPN is the fact that I'm able to get very reliable access to all kinds of streaming services, whether it's Hulu, Netflix libraries, about 18 Netflix libraries, in fact, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime Video, and whatever other streaming service that I'm trying to access. ExpressVPN gives me very reliable access to all of that. Now, the third reason is because I like to use it for gaming. If you're a gamer and you're trying to get reliable ping, maybe you're having some ping issues and you're trying to fix them, ExpressVPN can actually get you really good ping. All you need to do is make sure that you're connected to the best performing protocol, which is the lightweight UDP protocol, and then make sure that you're connected to the VPN server that is closest to your game server, and you'll be good to go, potentially getting even better ping than your base ping. Now, the fourth reason why I like to use ExpressVPN is the fact that it has one of the best no-logs policies in the business. And of course, it is independently audited, and all of the independent audit reports resulted in great standing. And what that means is that the server infrastructure of ExpressVPN as well as the no-logs policy of ExpressVPN both have been audited by a third-party security firm in order to provide evidence that ExpressVPN indeed do uphold the integrity and anonymity of their users by not collecting any identifiable information about their users. And this could not have been demonstrated any better than in the real-life stress test when in 2017 the Turkish government seized an ExpressVPN server as part of an investigation, and they were still unable to extract any information out of the server thanks to the true no-logs policy of ExpressVPN. And of course, they have this thing called trusted server, which basically means that they run their servers on RAM disks instead of hard drives. And what that basically means is that there are no physical drives attached to these servers, meaning there is no space for information to be stored in. And whatever little information is stored on the RAM drives will be deleted with every machine reboot as they maintain the servers, which happen quite often. And the final reason why I like ExpressVPN is that no matter where I travel, I know that ExpressVPN will function just fine, because most VPNs will struggle to operate in censorship-heavy countries, but ExpressVPN is the only VPN, honestly, that I've come across that functions in censorship-heavy countries as in any other country. So if you're in China or Russia or any other censorship-heavy country, you don't need to make any adjustments. ExpressVPN will function and give you full access to the internet as if you're in any other country. ExpressVPN will let you access the full internet no matter where you are. It's as good as plug and play. So that is pretty much it for this video, though. If you guys are interested in learning more about the privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features of ExpressVPN, you'll find the full review down below. And if you'd like to jump straight to the pricing and discounts, you'll also find those in the description as well. And of course, all the plans of ExpressVPN are covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test drive ExpressVPN for 30 days risk-free. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.